from Denpasar, South Bali. Well, today we're gonna do a couple of different things actually. But we are currently in Jimbaran Bay Hotel and Spa, and as you can see, it's all rows of we're on the second floor, I think, even though they call it the first floor, because they call the first floor the ground floor here. Anyways, we're gonna go to a sea walk, they call it. So I think they put like some stuff in your head, like you know, an air pocket, and then you walk with the corals, or you walk underwater. I don't know how long that takes, but you guys will see. You guys will see. And then the second part of the day today, there's this place called Water Bomb. So it's a place with a lot of slides, you know, different kinds of slides, slow, fast, long ones, winding ones. So yeah, that should be a fun experience here in Denpasar. So hope you guys will like the video. Anyways, well, you know your boy. Look at this. That's right. Same thing as we did in the Dayu house. We have our own drying thing. I mean, they gave us a drying rack right here, which is, you know, it's pretty good. It's got three areas where we can put our dry clothes, but nothing beats this thing, where you can put like, I don't know, 6 to 7 clothes to dry at the same time. So, you know. All right. Well, time to go and call our squad. You know, squad up, and then we can start the day. See you in a bit. We are now at I forgot it. What is this called? What's your place called again?
You go to buy boat.
No, what is this place called again?
This Tanjung Bunua.
Tanjung Bulua?
Yeah.
Bulu. Okay, there you go, guys. You heard him.
Tanjung Bunua.
Tanjung Bulua. There you go.
Tanjung Banua.
Tanjung Banua. Water sports. We are currently.
Slippers also? We don't need slippers.
No slippers? Okay, oh, they give us shoes. Water shoes.
Yeah.
Alright. Okay. Alright, they make us leave our slippers. We have our dry bag though, so we're fine. Alright, let's go, guys. Forward onto dawn. Let's go. Ooh. I have very sensitive feet. So even like little sharp objects. There you go. Here's our captain. Alright, thank you for your help.
Yep.
This guy's name is Winner, by the way. Winner. He always wins. Yeah, Sea Walker. Wait, which way? Oh, the number 2. Okay. Alright. Winner always win. He never lose. I think that's our boat right there. He's already waiting. So, wow. There's a lot of seaweed here. Anyways, guys, apparently this is the only place in Bali where you can rent a jet ski by yourself. Because in every other place you rent a jet ski, there's always someone with you. So that kind of sucks. It's the same in Philippines. You rent a jet ski, there's like a worker or like a, you know, one of the guys that's gonna be behind you, and you can't go fast. They basically tell you, oh, like you can't go this fast, or oh, like you can't do this, you can't do that. So it's very annoying. But like with this place, you can just rent a jet ski by yourself. Look at that, see? Those two, they don't have anyone. That's just a couple on their jet ski, so it's very nice. Anyways, if my voice sounds weird, it's because I have a sore throat. So, anyways, sea walk, right here. Okay. Uh-oh, wow, I don't know, that's kind of dangerous. Their motor is turned on, they didn't turn it off. What if I slip? Then I will hit their engine. Alright. Okay, it's okay, guys.
Ano nyo?
Oh.
I forgot to put on sunscreen.
Alright, we're okay, guys. We're okay.
You're gonna leave it. You don't need it.
Are you the captain?
Under the water.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Right hand. Sorry. I
No,
forgot.
you're
Left hand rude.
not a big astronaut head.
I forgot.
You have a
Left
big
hand is
helmet.
rude. Okay. Alright. Oh, dirty floor. No worries. It's okay. No problem. Stand first. Okay. No problem. There you go. Alright, he's cleaning the
Don't need it.
he's cleaning the floor,
Oh, am
he's
I good?
cleaning the seats. Alright.
Oh, it's all plants.
It's all plants. Alright, I wonder where the sea walk is. Because I don't see any boat.
Put your head up. Okay, hold it.
Okay. Wow!
That was fun.
Oh my goodness, they went so fast.
Woo! Yes, we're going that but
There you go. Now this looks like a place where you do a sea walk. Thank you, my friend. All right. Wow. Oh, look at this place. Wow. Very nice, very nice. So it's like a stationary boat. Yeah. Look at that.
Oh, I'm scared. I
What?
don't wanna go.
Why are you scared? Okay, you can go back. Hey, Manong.
The shark, though, right?
I hope so.
We want a shark.
I hope so. There are some. That would be interesting if there are sharks. Oh, look at that, guys. That's it right there. Ah, they give us those things right there. Very nice, very nice.
You have a big helmet. Do you see the helmet? Parang
Okay.
timo ka na eh.
Okay. All right, guys. We're gonna get ready. We're gonna put on our helmet, and I'll see you guys down there. We are getting ready. Hey guys, what's up? Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? All right, they're actually getting ready for our stuff over there. Hold on, right there. You see? My boy here is already suited up. Yes, suited up. Wow, complete. He's complete geared. But anyways, I'll show you the. Right there, those are the helmets that we're gonna wear, and it's connected to those tubes. It goes up here, and it goes to the oxygen tank right here. So it pumps air while we're underwater. That's the operation they have here. They have a refill station for the oxygen over here, as you can see. And this guy is cleaning the water shoes. That other guy is cleaning the helmets as we speak, as you can see right there. He's cleaning it. And the squad is getting ready. One is not sure if she wants to go or not.
Yeah, I'm still all the
She's looking at the ocean like.
There's sharks here, guys.
I hope there's sharks. I hope
No
there's sharks.
sharks.
I hope there are a lot. That would be for an
Let's do
interesting
it.
vlog. Alright, let's do it.
Take risks.
Take risk? Okay, okay.
Calculated risk.
So there's actually two. So there's this one and there's another one there. So they can have like maybe 8 people go at the same time underwater. So anyways, there you go. Yeah, my guy's gonna go first. I guess he's gonna check out the water underneath, see if there's a lot of maybe there's sharks underwater. That's good. He's gonna check it out for us. All right, there he is. I also wanted to be a scuba diver. It looks fun. Unfortunately, I cannot properly equalize my nasal area, so that sucks. Anyways, they're giving out the shoes. We're gonna wear them, and for real this time, I'll see you at the bottom. Alright guys, I hope you guys like that. Wanna leave anything? Nothing. Okay. Alright, there you go.
Sorry, mister.
Wait, here?
Yeah, can you?
Why me? Ayoko katabi yung problema.
Tutulog ka dyan eh. Faster, my friend.
Oh no, oh no.
Let's go.
Yeah. The waves are bigger now, that's why they have to go slow. Anyways, we're going back to the I forgot the name of the place. Anyways, a water sports place. So hope you guys like the vlog. Here's the squad. Hey, how was it?
It was fun.
It was fun? How about you?
We saw
Good?
sharks.
Oh, like this. Good. There you go. Good means like this. I don't know about this guy. He's a little bit under the weather. It's okay. We're gonna find JFC, guys. We're gonna find JFC. Hope you guys like the vlog. See you on the next one. Peace out.